Welcome to B4X. It's time for our daily look at what's moving the markets today. Currency markets stabilized a little on Friday despite the continued global equity market sell-off. Investors are plowing into safe haven assets, such as U.S. Treasuries, the dollar, and gold. Headline commodities like oil have really tumbled. Oil closed out this week at $75.41, a loss of more than $10 a barrel week over week. With commodity prices on the way down, let's take a quick look at commodity currencies, in particular the Aussie. The Aussie found near-term support at the 50-day moving average back in late February, while holding major support at the 200-day moving average, which was tested back in early February. Let's fast forward to last week as price action just tumbled right through support at the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. Obviously, quite a major move. Now let's take a look at the pound-yen cross for a look at another impressive move. These types of move happen so infrequently that it's worth taking a look at the following 1-hour chart. This pair dropped 1,100 pips in just 5 hours. This one candle alone was more than 700 pips. Risk is clearly off at this point and major volatility has returned to the marketplace. Thanks for watching B4X Trading with your look at what's moving the markets today.